Hi everybody, BT here with FXLifeDayTrading.com. So just going over this 90-day challenge trade here. I know sometimes you may be wondering, well, when do you know you should get out of a trade? Okay. So here I am, stock market's falling, and I have to admit, I mean, the US dollar is not really that strong. Alright, I mean, okay, we're up, but, I mean, the correlation is not very good today. We had that all too familiar move lower in the currency before equities fell. So now we're just seeing a little bit of spillover, but really the time to short was when equities were high. And then the equities fall, and everybody sometimes thinks that that's weird saying everybody sometimes. And a lot of people think that you follow the Aussie dollar when the stock market falls, and that's a good correlation thought, but it doesn't always happen. So you just follow what you're following and treat it separately. Alright, I know it's hard because I'm always staring at the stock market, but I'm getting ready to take profit here on this little baby 90-day challenge account. This is the one that we've started with Sunday night, 2,500. So this will be, I have a higher than normal leverage. You could see for the, for this tiny account, this is something you really have to be watching. So if you don't have a massive amount of experience, for example, if you're just starting off, your entire account should be a minuscule amount. All right. So what we're doing here is I'm looking for my exit strategy. All right. Now again, we see a lot of pressure on stocks. I believe we're going to be coming down to the 72.35. It sure is taking its time. We're breaking now, making new lows on the Australian dollar. I'm basically short the Australian dollar. I am long the dollar Canadian based on the fact that oil, and I'm not able to get oil up here on this, same little thing, because this isn't a Wander account. It's a Forex only. There's no CFDs in this. So basically, I'm looking at 3150 area as a good point, and the reason I have the Euro USD in the middle is because I want to know what that Euro USD is doing, and you see, I'm talking a lot and I'm not paying attention. My area that I wanted to get the heck out was around the 3150. We just jumped on that real quick. But I'm going to start phase out some of my trade. What I do is, these are all really one trade to me, but because of that FIFO, first in, first out stuff, I break it up so I can get out as I wish, and it just makes it easier. So let me just get out of one there. The bulk of the trade is I've just exited on the dollar CAD. Let me get the heck out of this too. I got too much going on here. Now, still in the Aussie. Aussie's been really slow moving today. Stock market is going down, and Aussie is kind of just slowly following like a turtle. And I don't even know if I feel comfortable holding that. Let me just get the heck out of it all. Alright. I'm out. we're getting close to the trend line on this daily here. Very close. See that? The trend line comes in before the moving average. So because of that, I said diff. And of course, you know, there's no perfect exit or entry. You know, as you can see, I got out and it's still popping. Took a little break just for me to get out, and then it went higher. So anyway, between 50 and 60 is where I wanted to get out. Unfortunately, I tend to sometimes get out a little too early. I'll watch, I'll wait, I'll see what happens on these pairs. Maybe we get a little retracement, maybe not. But I would have liked to enter a little bit higher. Now I banked about 40 something pips on this dollar CAD. Again, my exit was definitely a little premature, but we are touching that right there. You see that? Touching now that trend line. So we'll see if we can come off of that, which we probably will. I'll be watching, maybe get another entry in there. So anyway, I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to go back to trading, going to focus here. 90-day challenge if you want to check out these videos in detail on how I got in, why I got in, when I got out, whatever. As you can see, the Aussie is still going down. I'm not going to call these the best exits here. I should have kept some on. Really, I'm going to stop doing these live trades because my focus seems to be on doing the video and talking rather than focusing on the trade. But anyway, not bad for this tiny little baby girl account. And we'll try to make it into a beast account. Take care.